The Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers NIEEE has organized an expert session for students at the Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria with a view to providing them with the vital industry insights and professional development opportunities. The session, held on Monday at MAAUN School of Computing, featured a lecture delivered by Engineer Ibrahim Abba, the chairman of the NIEEE Kano State Chapter. The presenter was accompanied by members of his team including Engineer Rabi'u Haruna, Engineer Fatima Muhammad Mustapha, and Engineer Binta Usman. The event brought together students and faculty members, providing a platform for insightful discussions on the benefits of professional membership in the NIEEE, as well as the role of electrical and electronic engineering in driving innovation. In his opening remarks, MAAUN President Professor Dr. Mohammad Israr commended the NIEEE team for choosing MAAUN as the venue for such an engaging program. He emphasized the university's commitment to fostering collaborations that enhance students' academic and professional growth. During the session, Engineer Ibrahim Abba provided an in-depth presentation on the Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers NIEEE, highlighting its roles in advancing the engineering profession in Nigeria. He spoke extensively on the benefits of students' membership, which includes access to mentorship programs, technical workshop, networking opportunities, and industry-driven research collaborations. He also elaborated on the challenges faced by young engineers in transitioning from academia to the professional world, stressing the need for continuous learning, adaptability, and engagement with professional buddies. In their separate remarks, other members of the NIEEE also echoed the need for industry-academia relationships, urging students to embrace innovation and actively participate in activities of the professional bodies to enhance their career prospects. Speaking at the event, Engineer Bashir Garba, the head of career guidance, training and placement, emphasized the significance of bridging the gap between academia and industry. He encouraged students to take advantage of such programs to expand their knowledge and professional networks. In his closing remarks, Professor Ibrahim Alhaji, Dean of the School of Computing, appreciated the presenters for their insightful presentations and expressed optimism for more collaborations and knowledge-sharing sessions in the future. The event was attended by the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and Hajia Maimuna S. Bello, Head of Human Resource, among others.